Okay, I'm back. So when you take off this lower, well, this outer tie rod here, and what you do, you just drop it down, and then you go over here. You turn this wheel all the way outward, so as far over to the left, because that's the driver's side. This is passenger side, and then that gives you even more room in between the gap of this part of the transfer case wheel, and then in between the shafts here. I mean, this will be way back to here, and then all you would have to deal with is like way up here someplace. So it'd be out of the way, and then you gotta sit here, have one arm go underneath, and then keep with the fishing, try to make sure that's going to go inward and get as much space taken up on the outside there. And then this side, I had to get it between here to here to here, and it's very difficult when you're one-handed, and then you have to sit there and push, and also make sure you still have the handle of the weight, because this isn't light, this is heavy, this is very heavy, and you sit here and trying to tweak it through the wedge it right past the lip here, and once it's a lot of work, but it could be done without taking the lower or upper A-arm to do it. It's just the most work you're dealing with is really just fishing the new one in and trying to, muscling it in. So that's the only issue with the new one, and trying to make sure you're not going to break anything. But then I have my pinion arms. I got two of them. I gotta replace these here. The other one's on this side, right up in here. Here's the other one. So I gotta replace those two, which I got those two parts. Eventually I'll replace all the tie rods, steer rods, pumps, fucking sway bars. But yeah, this one's pretty shot. The boots ripped to hell. I mean, it's just shit. So I got a new CV shaft that I'm putting on this side too, new hub and bearings, and new brake pads. So I'll probably do the same way, because I do need to get new lower A-arms and upper A-arms. The bushings on them are shot. So, which, this is your lower, and that's your upper. And yeah, now I'm dealing with the, oh shit, working on it outside because it's going to be nice for a few days. 84 here today. Now I'm dealing with, here's the new hub and bearings, dealing with putting the studs back in, putting new studs in. So dealing with that. As you can see, my parts pile, there's the old one shot. I mean, hear that? It shouldn't be doing that. It broke in there. It shouldn't be rattling like that. So you know, junk. And then this is the new one for the other side. I don't know if I could even get it. Oh boy, there she sits. A big boy here. The thing's just huge. Like I say, that's where the hub wheel bearing is. It's all in one. Then, like I say, here's one of the pinions I have to put in. And then the new brakes, filter, plug wires, screwdriver, plugs, oil. It's been a long 2 days here.